Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to wrap this. This is the 1.5 inch extension for the under the sink. So last time I purchased 1.25 inch. So somehow this one is cheaper than 1.25 inch. So I think I paid $1.77 free shipping plus tax. So it's about $1.90 something, which is a pretty awesome deal. So unfortunately, the seller decided to take down the listing. They're probably not making money. Imagine the envelope and then shipping fee, how they're going to make money. So anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys the product and what's it look like. So yeah, if you have anything like a raised up sink and then your existing sink is not or the piping is not long enough, you need to purchase this one. They have it for like either black color or the white color. So this one is the 1.5 inch by 8 inch PVC extension tube. And this is by EASTMAN right here. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Go ahead and check it out. So you need to measure this. How is it a 1/4 inch or 1.5 inch? Come with the screw and then the washer right here. So this will prevent from leaking. So you don't need to put any more Teflon tape. Be sure to screw this on pretty tight, or else you're gonna have overflow or leaking. Yeah, just show you guys awesome deal that I got. So I don't think it's gonna happen again. I got lucky, so I purchased both of them. I think some of the sellers try to sell this one for like $10. So I was like, what? So yeah, be smart, shop around, and compare. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.